टू माय चैनल लीगल लॉ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ एमसीक्यू, जिसका कि हम लोग देखेंगे पार्ट 2। सो लेट स्टार्ट। और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following is merely a constitutional rights and not a fundamental rights? Option A, right to life and liberty. Option B, right to property. Option C, right to form association. Option D, right to move throughout India. So the correct option will be option B, right to property. Next question. Basic structure of constitution can be amended. Option A, by simple majority. Option B, by two-third majority. Option C, by special majority and ratification by half of the state. Option D, none of the above. So the correct option will be option D, none of the above. Next question. Which is not a constitutional commission? Option A, Law Commission. Option B, Finance Commission. Option C, Election Commission. Option D, UPSC. So the correct option will be option A, Law Commission. Next question. Attorney General hold office till the pleasure of option A, Parliament. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, President. And option D, Government of India. So the correct option will be option C, the President. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution belong to a different category? Option A, Article 14. Option B, Article 15. Option C, Article 16. And option D, Article 19. So the correct option will be option D, Article 19. Next question. Which one of the following is a directive principle of state policy? Option A, to organize village panchayat. Option B, right to education. Option C, right to property. Option D, right to move Supreme Court. So the correct option will be option A, to organize village panchayat. Next question. Article 21A, right to education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years, has been inserted in the Constitution by option A, the Constitution 43rd Amendment Act 1977. Option B, the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. Option C, the Constitution's 70th Amendment Act 1992. Option D, the Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1992. So the correct option will be option B, the Constitution's 86th Amendment Act 2002. Next question. The doctrine of territorial nexus is related which? Option A, Article 13. Option B, Article 211. Option C, Article 245. Option D, Article 300. So the correct option will be option C, Article 245. Next question. A professor of a university who is an eminent jurist is eligible to be appointed as a judge of the option A, High Court. Option B, both High Court and Supreme Court. Option C, neither in the Supreme Court nor in the High Court. Option D, Supreme Court. So the correct option will be option D, Supreme Court. Next question. The quorum for meeting of the House of the People constitutes option A, 1/3 of the total members. Option B, 1/10 of the total members or 100 members, whichever is less. Option D, 1/3 of the total members. Option D, 100 members. So the correct option will be option A, 1/10 of the total member. Next question. Which of the following set is said to be the golden triangles of Indian Constitution? Option A, Article 14, 15, and 16. Option B, Article 20, 21, and 22. Option C, Preamble, Fundamental Right, and Directive Principles. Option D, Article 14, 19, and 21. So the correct option will be option D, Article 14, 19, and 21. Next question. Match list 1 articles with list 2 and select the correct answers using the code given below the list. List 1, Power. President Ordinance, Governor Ordinance, Making Power, President Pardoning Powers, Governor's Pardoning Power. List 2 contains articles. Option A, Article 72, B, Article 123, C, Article 161, D, Article 213. So the correct option will be option B. President Ordinance will be Article 41 and Governor Ordinance Making Power will be Article 123. President Pardoning Powers will be option 161 and the Governing Pardoning Power will be option to Article 213. Next question. Article 323 of the Constitution of India lays down that when the reports of the Union Public Service Commission is not accepted, the reasons for such non-acceptance are to be laid before. Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Option D, Cabinet Committee presided over by the Prime Minister. So the correct option will be option C, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next question. In which one of the following matters the Union Public Service Commission is not required to be consulted? Option A, matters related to the method of recruitment to the civil service. Option B, disciplinary matters affecting a person serving under the government. Option C, claims by or in respect of a person who had served the government. Option D, the matter in which the government is empowered to make reservation in the post for government service. So the correct option will be option D, the matters in which the empowers to make reservation in the post for the government service. Next question. Under one of the following judgment, the Supreme Court directed the government to constitute a permanent body in favor of the backward classes. Option A, Minerva Mill versus Union of India. Option B, Goleknath versus State of Punjab. Option C, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Option D, Indira Sawhney versus Union of India. So the correct option will be option D, Indira Sawhney versus Union of India. Next question. The Constitution of India establishes parliamentary form of government, and the essence of this form of government is its responsibility to the option A, people of India. Option B, President. Option C, Prime Minister. Option D, legislature. So the correct option will be option C, Prime Minister. Next question. Match list 1 provisions in the Constitution of India with list 2 sources and select the correct answers using the code given below the list. List 1. Ireland, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and Germany. List 2 sources. Option A, emergency. B, fundamental right. C, parliamentary system, and D, directive principle of state policy. So the correct option will be option D. Ireland will be related to fundamental rights. The United Kingdom is related to emergency. The United States of America is related to the directive principle of state policy, and Germany is related to the parliamentary system. Next question. Which of the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended during emergency? Option A, freedom under Article 19. B, right to constitutional remedies under Article 32 and 226. Option C, right under Article 21 and 22, and option D, right under Articles 20 and 21. So the correct option will be option C, right under Article 21 and 22. Next question. A change in distribution of powers between the center and the states can be done by option A, the central government, option B, the federating units themselves, option C, amending the constitution, option D, none. So the correct option will be option C, amending the constitution. Next question. Finance Commission consists of option A, 5 members, option B, 4 whole-time members, option C, chairman and 4 members, option D, none. So the correct option will be option B, 4 whole-time members. Next question. Under the doctrine of immunity of instrumentality, option A, union and state cannot tax each other's properties. Option B, union cannot levy taxes on the states. Option C, union cannot levy custom duty on the state. Option D, none. So the correct option will be option B, union cannot levy taxes on the states. Next question. The duration of the proclamation of financial emergency is option A, at the first instance 1 month, B, at the first instance 2 months, option C, at the first instance 6 months, and option D, none. So the correct option will be option A, at the first instance 1 month. Next question. The constituent power of the parliament to amend the constitution. Option A includes power to amend by way of addition, variation, or repeals of the provision of the constitution. Option B is unrestricted by any inherent and implied limitation. Option C is not procedurally limited and restricted. Option D, none. So the correct option will be option C, is unrestricted by any inherent and implied limitation. Next question. Which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? Option A. The state shall endeavor to secure for the citizen uniform civil code. Option B. The state shall promote with special care the educational and economic interest of the weaker section. Option C. The state shall endeavor to promote adult education to eliminate literacy. Option D. The state shall endeavor to protect every monument, place or object of artistic or historic interest. So the correct option will be option C. The state shall endeavor to promote adult education to eliminate illiteracy. Next question. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution did not A. Add the word socialist, secular, and integrity to the preamble. B. Add fundamental duties. C. Delete the right to property clause. D. None. So the correct option will be option D. None. Next question. Which one of the following is directive principle of state policy? Option A. Right to education, right to property, right to move Supreme Court, to organize village panchayat. So the correct option will be option B. Right to property. National Capital Territory of Delhi has been constituted by option A. 71st Amendment, option B. 69th Amendment, option C. Ordinance promulgated by the President, option D. None. So the correct option will be option C. Ordinance promulgated by the President. Next question. In the modern state, the best source of law is option A. Convention, option B. Custom, option C. Legislation, option D. Precedents. So the correct option will be option B. Custom. Next question. Which one of the following is a legal person? Option A. Supreme Court of India, option D. Option B. Damodar Valley Corporation, option C. Chief Minister of India. Option D, Government of State. So the correct option will be option A, Supreme Court of India. Next question. Article 141 of the Constitution of India provides law declared by the Supreme Court to be binding on all courts within the territory of India. All courts here implies all. Option A, court including Supreme Courts. B, courts and tribunals. Option C, judicial courts. D, courts excluding Supreme Court. So the correct option will be option D, courts and tribunal.